So
yeah, that's actually another thing I was wondering about. How did you do that? CAM Studio?
Yeah, CAM Studio.
That there you can choose to fill the desktop, so
Yeah.
Windows,
Yeah.
or you can choose to fill yourself, I guess, in between.
No, I think it changes what's happening on the screen. So let's go. We open program, options, memory probe, we open, because this is the name of our CTD. We start the communication. Should work normally. It's working? Yeah, it's working. Do you know that when they bought this, they never managed to make it work with the CTD. They always use the old computers. They cannot connect it to the new computers. Okay. I'm not joking. But I found a little way to make this thing work. So now whenever they want to make it work, they make it work with this the old computer. They cannot use it with their laptops. Like
so this is a RS to USB converter?
Yeah.
That's yours? Or
no, this is theirs. I took it from them and played with it. So what I wanted to tell you, for example, here we have 114. If I click on such communication, they have 114 kilo. It's just 1 mega. So if you do calculations, you will find that it's really 10 mega. Yeah, it's really 10 mega. I hope. So if you want to read our data, we just click on this read out data, and all it has 25. All these 25 we will get them.
Where do you see the 25?
It's here. That data stored.
Yeah.
The data stored 25.
And that ends up on your hard disk.
Yes.
And if the same files are already there, they will be wiped out.
No.
So will you create a new folder every time?
No, to create the same file but with another name.
Okay.
Yeah, and that will check. So you want them to be animated automatically? Yes. Let's go to somewhere ahead. Save. So let's come here. No. Just select or setting. Okay. So we'll put them here. So this time you see here is the time of extraction. It's done 9:18. 9:18. That's 16:58. Not 16:59. So on registry. Do you want to add the header or avoid that, because if you do it, you will just find out hassle. So 20 data are written to this. You can go and check them. Once this finishes, okay, let's go check them. And where the header is. It's here. So these are 20 data. It gives them names from 1 to 20.
That's what you asked. Yeah. That's what you confirm.
Yeah. And now if you want to read them, for example, you can read this one. It's big. For example, those one, it's just someone has turned it on and off without taking it. But those ones seems big, so we can go for them. Okay. So if you want us to see it, you can come here and I have to close it. Okay, I will come back to that. Okay, let's close it now. The probe is still, this is very important, the probe is still in active login state. If you answer by no, next time you turn it on, it will not take anything.
And how do you do that? You have to go into the software and say yes?
Yeah. If you, for here, I will say yes, so next time we turn it on, it will work. But if when you finish your working, and you don't want it to take in, you have to, it depends what you want, but in the field, you should always click yes. And few times I have clicked on no, and I will have collected the results, 3 missing points.
Yeah.
So, yes. And you will see, for example, that the data we have here are, we're talking about which one is worth it. Okay, this one is big. So even it's taken at 16:58 today, but the data is from it's from 10:09. So it's like an old data. Okay. So that's for the data extraction. And for the rest, we go here, start communication again, and here you can the data. I think just now when it turned on, it has taken some. They have become 21. So just now it has taken something. What do I want? This continuous mode is the mode we use to that every second there are 4 times it takes. This increment mode we can configure it if you want. This is the mode here. This time mode was very complicated. I really didn't like it. So you can avoid this one. This increment mode, how it works. Configure increment mode. The memory pro will be erased. Yeah, you see, because when you start talking with it, then you can erase what it contains.
Yes.
Because we have this quick erase check. So this increment mode can be useful. What they do is like they go and they do it by pressure, and whenever it increments by for example 25 centibar, which means 25 centimeters, it CTD takes data. But in incremented, it means that it will take only when it's going down.
Okay.
Yeah, because decremented it takes only when it's going up. Incremented or decremented, it takes down and up.
Not and, it's or. It says.
Yeah, but it means or, but when.
Okay.
So if I say the CTD will take whether the increments or decrements. It means that whether. So whatever you want in those. He advised us to do this incremented like that. I tried that in the beginning. I didn't know how it works. Now if we go, maybe I can do it like that. But if you don't have any trust, go to the continuous mode.
I would always do that anyway, because I would want to know the fine structure.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, this continuous mode as well. Okay. Close. So now it will be in the increment mode, but you can always. The continuous mode is so simple. I will show it to you once it's ready.
Okay.
Second time. Come on. Sorry. You have to click on OK, send the configuration to probe. Yeah. Now it will continue. Send the configuration to probe. The advantage of the increment mode is that it does not take any useless data. Like it's not whenever you will turn it on outside it will take data. So that's an advantage, but maybe to be on the safe side we can go to the continuous mode. So now I will put. So do you want me to put again on the continuous mode?
Yeah, it's actually what they want. If they want to have increment mode, that's fine with me. They apparently want that.
They want the increment mode? Okay.
That's what you said.
Yeah, this is what they want, the increment mode. So we give them the increment mode back. But to do the continuous mode, it's like very simple. Activated start communication, and you click on. Come on. So now it tells you that we are in the increment mode, but we can't put it back in there.
And there's no options there? Or there's an option as well for continuous mode?
No, continuous mode is very simple. It's stuck. Automatically, it will every second takes 4 times.
Time mode, isn't that the same thing, but you can adjust the time?
Yeah, normally it should be the same thing. But when I went in, it was really complicated. We can go.
No, not necessarily. Just wondering what you find out.
Well, I found that a lot of complication.
Yeah, that's what you said. But in what sense? Do you know another thing? A battery. This must contain some kind of electricity.
Yes, they have a battery.
USB, or is it
I don't think so.
It's changed every now and then.
The day we took it, the battery that was inside was empty. and we could not work with it. So they have to change us for us the battery. And they remember that we were so late. You will not believe what made that so late. It was the battery is inside this, and to get it you have to open one of those, and one of them was destroyed. So we had to go to the mechanical lab and ask them to open it. So it was like the most stupid issue we have stand there more than half of the time.
It looks like identical. They did a good job. Anyway, so you have to open the lid here.
Yeah,
and
you
then
open
you
there.
find the standard battery inside.
Yeah, it's like a standard battery.
There's no way of having it recharged through the
I can say yes, I can say no. Yes, one thing. If next year you don't have a computer that has the RS-232 input, and this is very common that these computers, the new computers don't have it. So what to do? Okay, this is done. Close this. Close. Good. What you do is you go to your computer and you go to properties and you go to the device manager. It's in French, but Windows, and in device manager you find your connection. I think it should be one of those. Where is it? Yeah, it's here. Port, COM, and APG. And this is the port. This is like the port you are connecting this this USB, the RS-232 converter. I don't know what you call it. Cable, and then you go to properties. You go to parameters of the port, and you choose. Where the hell is it? Yeah, you choose COM1, because he said the guys who made the software, they use it to work only with the port COM1. And normally when you plug this for the first time, it will go to COM7 or COM19. So you go and you push it back on COM1. And this is what they had missed, that they could never make this work. Okay, so this is what you have to do.
So they get something back.
Yeah.
You told them already?
No, I just made it work, and And also they have a old computer. And they have given up on this game. So okay.
It reminds me of many other issues like that.
Okay. Okay, we can now stop our video. What the hell?